The impact of religion on society, whether considered too much or not, can vary widely depending on cultural context, individual perspectives, and how religious beliefs are integrated into social, political, and ethical frameworks. Here are some considerations regarding the potential effects of an overwhelming presence of religion in society. Potential benefits: community cohesion. Religion often fosters community bonds and social solidarity among its adherents. Religious communities can provide support networks, charitable activities, and a sense of belonging for individuals. Moral guidance. Religious teachings and principles can offer ethical guidelines and moral frameworks that promote virtues such as compassion, forgiveness, and altruism. They may contribute to a shared understanding of right and wrong within a community. Cultural identity. Religion plays a significant role in shaping cultural identity, traditions, and rituals within societies. It can preserve cultural heritage and provide a sense of continuity across generations. Psychological support. Belief in a higher power or divine purpose can offer comfort, hope, and resilience during times of adversity or personal crises. Spiritual practices like prayer or meditation may promote mental well-being, philanthropy, and social welfare. Many religious organizations engage in charitable work, humanitarian aid, and social welfare initiatives that benefit communities in need. They may address issues such as poverty, healthcare, and education. Potential drawbacks: intolerance and division. Religious differences can sometimes lead to intolerance, conflict, or social division within societies. Extremist interpretations of religious doctrines may justify discrimination, violence, or exclusion of certain groups. Influence on politics. When religious beliefs heavily influence political decisions and governance, it can blur the separation of church and state. This may raise concerns about individual freedoms, secularism, and human rights. Stifling of diversity. Excessive religious influence can suppress diversity of thought, expression, and lifestyles within societies. It may impose rigid norms and expectations that limit individual autonomy and personal choices. Obstacles to progress. In some cases, religious doctrines or beliefs may conflict with scientific advancements, education, or progressive social changes. This can hinder societal progress in areas such as gender equality, LGBTQ+ rights, and reproductive health. Personal freedom. Overly strict adherence to religious doctrines may restrict individual freedom of belief, expression, and lifestyle choices. It can create pressures to conform to religious norms that may not align with personal values or preferences. In summary, whether too much religion in society is perceived as good or bad depends on how it manifests and interacts with other aspects of societal life. Balancing religious freedoms with respect for diversity, human rights, and secular governance is crucial in fostering inclusive, tolerant, and harmonious societies. Ultimately, societies benefit from a pluralistic approach that respects both religious beliefs and individual liberties.